On February 17, 2026, the Chinese zodiac welcomes the Year of the Horse, and to celebrate, IWC Schaffhausen continues its elegant tradition with a limited edition timepiece that captures the spirit of energy, freedom, and luck. The IWC Portugieser Automatic 42 Year of the Horse. Born in the late 1930s, the Portugieser line has always represented IWC's purest form of precision and sophistication, a wristwatch built around the accuracy of a pocket watch movement. Over the decades, its clean lines, balanced layout, and timeless elegance have made it one of IWC's most enduring icons. Today, this heritage lives on in the 42mm Portugieser Automatic, subtly refined for the modern era but still loyal to its minimalist DNA. For the Year of the Horse, IWC dresses its Portugieser in a deep burgundy dial, accented with gold-plated hands and indices, a color pairing rich in symbolism. In Chinese culture, red and gold represent luck, prosperity, and passion. The 42.4mm stainless steel case, just 13mm thick, maintains the Portugieser's classic profile, with its slim, stepped bezel and polished finish catching the light in all the right ways. But look closer, and you'll see something special. A golden horse silhouette galloping across the power reserve indicator at 3 o'clock. It replaces the word days, serving as a subtle tribute to the new zodiac year without overpowering the dial's elegant symmetry. Inside beats the updated in-house caliber IW52101, an automatic movement that delivers an impressive 7-day power reserve powered by IWC's legendary Peloton winding system. Operating at 28,800 vibrations per hour and protected against magnetic fields, it's both powerful and precise. Flip the watch over, and the magic continues. The 18K gold rotor features the profile of a galloping horse, a finishing touch that perfectly ties the theme together. The Portugieser Automatic 42 Year of the Horse comes on a black alligator strap with a steel folding clasp, and IWC adds a complimentary burgundy leather strap for a touch of festive flair. Limited to just 500 pieces worldwide, this special edition retails for €15,300, tax included. For collectors, it's not just a watch, it's a symbol of grace, endurance, and new beginnings, a timepiece that gallops confidently into the Year of the Horse. IWC Portugieser Automatic 42, timeless tradition meets celestial celebration.